Moncada's Castle is situated in the old quarter of Vic, between Parachifre Street and Pietà Square. From the 11th century until the mid-15th century, it belonged to the Moncades family, who received it as a reward from Bishop Berenguer de Lluçà for conquering the counties of Barcelona. At that time, the name wasn't Moncada's Castle. It was the County Tower of Vic. The Moncades were one of the most important families not only in Vic, but also in Catalonia. The family controlled everything which wasn't under the hands of Vic's bishopric, that is, half of the city. In the 14th century, the bishopric part of the city became part of the Crown of Aragon. The castle was used as both a prison and a barn until 1882, when it was put on sale. His owner decided to demolish it, and, after that, the ruins of a Roman temple were discovered. The fact that this temple was situated under the central courtyard of the castle was the reason why it wasn't found before, as it wasn't visible. The temple was rebuilt and inaugurated in 1959. There is still a small part of the castle walls.